Hey guys, it's BreakIT FixIT again, and we are back with a new video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to remove the rear bumper of a 2011 Volkswagen Polo. Let's get started. First of all, you need to remove the tail light. Start by opening your trunk, turn this plastic lock to expose the backside of our tail light. There is one bolt holding the light. We need to remove it in order to release the light from its place. After unscrewing the bolt all the way, just slowly pull the light toward you and be careful because there is a clip on the left side. Disconnect the electric plug and remove the light. Now do the same for the other side. Then go ahead and disconnect these two license plate lights. Push the clip on the side of the light and pull it outward, then twist the bolt to release it from its place. And do the same for the other side. To remove the bumper, there is 3 screws on the left side, 5 at the bottom and 3 others on the right side. After removing the screws on both sides, let's now go ahead and remove the 5 bottom ones. This screw was missing in my car. After removing all the screws, pull the bumper from the sides and be careful with the clips. Then pull it backward. And that's it guys. If the video was helpful, please like, comment and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos.